Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We're a Vocal Lab Collective. Hey Katie.
Hey, I'm actually very excited about today's watch
Why?
because it was
Tell
one
me.
of my
You
favorite.
have to do this.
Oh, because
Why?
it was one of my favorite songs when I worked at Starbucks, where we met in Cool Springs,
dramatic.
Tennessee.
Everything's dramatic.
Wow,
Do your
you're
things.
so
I
dramatic
know.
right now.
We did. We met there.
We met there, and
It was love at
this
first
song
sight.
was going
For her.
around like it was. It really, really was.
Was it? Mwah.
Always. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on.
We did
with
meet
you.
there.
We did meet there.
You know, fast friends.
But this song would always come on and I loved the coffee shop music.
Yeah. This
So
is
I
a
can't
coffee
wait.
shop song of all coffee shop
Yes.
songs.
Can we just jump right into it?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Before we do,
hit that subscribe button.
bam, bam, bam. YouTube,
I'm having a contraction
Facebook,
right now.
TikTok. Ooh. Do we need to like lay you out on the couch?
No.
Carlos knows Lamaze.
Yup. No, we're good.
Carlos is our midwife.
I am having call the midwife.
Call Carlos the midwife.
Jump
Call
in
him
though.
now.
But subscribe, especially if you want to see if I go into labor or
Yeah.
not in the next one.
Right. Hit all the things.
Hit all
Let's
the
get to Carlo or Katie.
Yeah.
There we go.
Who am I?
Carlo, Katie. One of the great songs of all time, for
Yeah,
sure.
it's just so good.
Excited to see what they do with this. Was not expecting that
Me neither.
tone.
Well, y'all know how much I love Loves
Wow.
for Women.
I am dead. I am dead.
Slow.
That is special. Right?
Very. That tone.
Woo! And the power. It's magical.
Wow.
It's cool to hear it in Portuguese too. I think it's Portuguese. Oh, so nice.
Beautiful.
All right, dude. Come on now.
I love that they actually have male. Well, I'll say after.
It's beautiful. That's an honest vocal. Oh, that smile. Look at them. They're friends.
Oh, he's got a great tone.
He sure does. It's just very, oh, come on, man.
Surely he's seen this cover of his song. Surely.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh.
Yeah. Fantastic harmony. Fantastic harmony.
Wow.
It's so tasteful.
So tasteful.
Quem acredita em milagres, a quem cometa maldade, a quem não saiba dizer a verdade. É isso aí.
I can't get over her tone.
Me either. We're going to talk about that.
De flores, ensinar os seus filhos a escolher seus amores.
Woo! That's incredible.
Eu não sei parar de te olhar.
Wow.
Eu não sei parar de te olhar. Não vou parar de te olhar. Eu não me canso de olhar. Não vou parar de te olhar.
Yeah.
That is artistry.
Yeah.
That is artistry.
Exclamation point, Katie.
Yeah.
Exclamation point. That is artistry.
Is 1,000%
If you want to be an artist, study that.
Yeah.
Also, I would say if you want to be a vocalist, study that.
Yeah.
They both have their own unique distinguishing points. For him, it's that little grit and texture and smoky, yet so smooth and simple.
Very, very.
For her, it's that rich, low, and curveball. Like,
yeah.
Next to maybe Tracy Chapman.
Yeah.
I haven't thought of a female vocal like that in a while.
No, yeah.
Right? And this isn't a new video at all, but like she's been around, but new to us.
New to us.
But clearly
But
huge...
now I'm so obsessed because I love low notes for women.
Ugh.
And hers are like on another planet.
They really are. They're in
especially
whole
with
different...
the tone. It's not just like she's going...
it's all of it. It's not just a low note. It's the tone.
She's like, she's on that tone.
It's the touch. It's the tastefulness. It's all of it. This was special.
This was very special. And it took me back to a great memory, too.
Yeah.
With that song.
For sure. And for those of you out there in other cultures, if you may have never heard The Blower's Daughter from Damien Rice, you should check it.
Yeah, you should.
It's
a wonderful song.
It's a great
that whole
song.
record
Is
was
he
great.
Irish? He's Irish, right? Or English? I think he's Irish.
I think he's Irish.
It's a fantastic song
honestly.
from an amazing artist, a great humanitarian,
Yeah.
just a really special, special person. So check it from his version, but this was amazing.
Life-changing.
Yeah, this was great.
Yeah.
We're going to leave it at that.
Great suggestion.
Wow, Katie,
Jason.
I'm glad we get to do this together.
Me too. I love doing it with you.
Yeah, me too. Until next
good.
time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
Vocal Lab.
Collective.
Hey.